Hello, good afternoon viewers and welcome to SKTV News. You are watching Afternoon English News with me, Pavini. First, the headlines. All-party meeting to be convened in Parliament after terrorist attack in Kashmir's Pahalgam, leaving 28 tourists dead. And Department of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj observes National Panchayati Raj Day at Panchayat Bhavan, Porompat. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. All-party meeting will be held in Parliament at 6 p.m. today in connection with Pahalgam terrorist attack that killed 28 terrorists. A news agency reported that different political parties will take part in the meeting, which will be chaired by Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to discuss about the terrorist attack. Notably, India has already suspended Indus Waters Treaty, downgraded diplomatic ties with Pakistan, closed Atari integrated checkpoint and cancelled SVES visas issued to Pakistani nationals, besides asking to leave India within 48 hours. Opposition leader Rahul Gandhi has cut short his visit to United States after the incident. Meanwhile, Congress leaders have demanded the all-party meeting to be chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi instead of Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has vowed that India would track down and punish all those responsible for the recent Pahalgam attack beyond their imagination. According to a report in Times of India, the Prime Minister made the assertion in his first public statement following the recent attack in Pahalgam. In his speech, Narendra Modi stated that the country is sad and in pain after the terrorist attack on April 22, which killed 28 people. While expressing the nation's grief, he assured decisive action against the perpetrators, continuing that terrorism will not go unpunished and every effort will be made to ensure justice. The Prime Minister emphasized it as the collective resolve of the entire nation. Department of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj has observed National Panchayati Raj Day at Panchayat Bhavan, Porompat in Imphal East District today. The observance was attended by RD and PR Director Ketrimayum Umananda, RD and PR Chief Finance Officer Maisnam Chanu Liklainu and Deputy Director Abujam Roman. Addressing the observance, Director Ketrimayum Umananda highlighted that National Panchayati Raj Day has been observed annually since 2010. He added that Ministry of Rural Development has been putting effort in developing rural areas as part of central government's vision to make India a fully developed country by 2047. Additionally, he highlighted that the state's Panchayat election has been put on hold due to the prevailing situation of the state. Ketrimayum Umananda further stated that the Manipur will also adopt the three-tier system for Panchayat election. He also urged the department staff to spread awareness at rural areas about development projects, while urging Panchayati Raj institution to work towards development of their areas instead of waiting for funds. During the observance, top 3 Gram Panchayats were presented with the certificates of National Panchayat Award 2023, an award presented by Panchayati Raj Ministry under 9 themes.
Manipur state two-tier system that some Honorable Supreme Court ki ruling ki makhada aduga recently we government na gazette notification thoklaga 3-tier da chandana bugi matang da lak stage ni ana block committee haidana bugi sai hana leramba gram panchayat habanga jila parishad ki leramba siga marakta block committee intermediate oiba bugi functionary group am songo khuyu malairagani Manipur law and order gi kanugumba kharadagi unavoidable circumstances hajaba tare sige ko election tawdana lady ado si to biraklaga matang ina ko hariba 3 tier system se full flash da la agadi ko hariba 7 thale amendment na biriba magi the yoriba ko objective side da asi map je ko fulfill tar ko manglom da sanction gani ai thazab leje.
Joint Action Committee Against the Custodial Death of Koisnam Sanajauba alias Ibungo has imposed 24-hour general strike from midnight today till tomorrow midnight. The JSC was formed against the custodial death of Koisnam Sanajauba alias Ibungo from Kurai Ningtobung Lekai on April 13th. He was arrested by Imphal commando on March 31st. The JSC had also recently demanded the government to give a detailed report about the death within 5 days, and they also took out a protest rally on April 20 regarding the issue. In a press release, the JSC highlighted that Sanajauba took up arms as a village volunteers to defend the state from narco-terrorists. They also condemned the custodial death of Sanajauba. JSC convener L. Kumari also appealed to Moira Baibis, CSOs, local clubs and the public to support the demand. Security forces have recovered large cache of weapons during search operations conducted in Imphal East District. According to police, a team of Central Forces and Manipur police have recovered weapons from suspected areas in Paurabi village under Lamlai police station. The recovered weapons included 3 SMG carbine with magazine, 1 9mm pistol, 49 7.62 mm SLR live rounds, 36 303 live rounds, 16 7.62 mm AK rifle live rounds, 15 9mm live rounds, 2 7.62 live blank cartridges, 2 303 ammunition charge clips, 3 radio wireless sets, 4 number 36 hand grenades, 1 lever-less number 36 hand grenade, 8 tube launchings, 2 detonators, 3 51mm mortar shells, 10 tier smoke shells, 8 stun shells, normal, 2 MK-13T explosives, 2 tier smoke shells, soft nose, along with other warlike stores. The recovered items were handed over to relevant police station for further proceedings. Security forces arrested 3 members of 3 different proscribed groups. According to police, proscribed KCP Nongdren Komba member Lushambam Sundar Singh alias Bungbung, age 34, was arrested by police from nearby areas of Nongpok Sanjembam, Kolen Market Shed under Lamlai police station in Imphal East District yesterday. On the other hand, proscribed Pre-Park member Loitongbam Nauba, age 27, was also arrested from Sawombung Paurabi yesterday. In a similar incident, proscribed KYKL member Sairem Ibungo, age 45, was arrested by security forces from KB Hikak Mapal under Sagolmang police station in Imphal East District yesterday. Security forces also recovered 1 4-wheeler vehicle, 1 mobile phone, along with 2,600 rupees cash from his possession. Police also reported that the authority has started taking up lawful actions against the outfit members. Manipur Institute of Management Studies, MIMS Manipur University, has commenced its 3-day festival Manfit 2025 with Manipur University Vice-Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendra today. The opening function of the festival, which was held at Manipur University Auditorium, was also attended by the university's Dean of Social Science, Professor Memcha Loitongbam, Dean of Students' Welfare, Professor C.H. Ibohal, MUSU President N. Suraj, Manfit 2025 Chairman Dr. S. Somokanta, and MIMS Director Professor L. Prabhakar as guests. Addressing the opening function, VC N. Lokendra said that the university's academic atmosphere has changed after COVID-19 pandemic. However, the university has been putting effort to bring back the atmosphere in these 3 to 4 years. He added that as a part of the effort, the university has been providing necessary aid to departments and faculties for academic and non-academic events. VC N. Lokendra further asserted that Manfit is one of the most important festivals of the university. He also emphasized the importance of the organizers of Manfit, including MEMS and its students. The Vice-Chancellor added that the festival gives an opportunity to MEMS students to showcase their knowledge, which they learn in classroom, into practical.
This kind of interaction between the academic institutions and the business houses, these are extremely crucial in order to make the overall economy and society of Manipur to be vibrant. We cannot deny the fact that Manipur's economy is not as good as many other states in the region. And I would like to encourage our students, at least either from this year onwards or from next year, to make this platform as a meeting point for young, say, entrepreneurs, for aspiring, say, business personnels, people who have shown with the real content of doing some good business.
Peaceful Club Kurai, in collaboration with Veterinary Office, Imphal East, conducted mass anti-rabies vaccination program at the office of the local club located at Kurai today. As many as 150 dogs and cats were vaccinated in the vaccination program organized under the aegis of All Manipur United Clubs Organization, AMUCO executive members, SUCO volunteers and local club members were also present at the program. Let's look at the weather report now. According to ICAR Regional Center, Lumphilpat State's maximum temperature was recorded at 29.6 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 21.1 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 76% in the morning and 54% in the evening. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. All-party meeting to be convened in Parliament after terrorist attack in Kashmir's Pahalgam, leaving 28 tourists dead. And Department of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj observes National Panchayati Raj Day at Panchayat Bhavan, Porompat. And that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.